Which part is this? Its upper body. Which part is this? Its lower body. Which part are these? They are arms. Which parts are these? They are legs. Which part are these? They are hands. Which parts are these? They are feet. Point at hands. Point at feet. Point at lower legs. Point at upper legs. Lower arms. Upper arms. Lower legs. Upper legs.